Alright, so somebody tell me how this works. Like, at night time it actually turn on. May I try figure it out style. But we'll
Got
see.
me enough. Watch ya. Show she see me in a red.
I said
She
I
want
wanted
red.
red. Are you know?
What I mean, say you go put
I asked for red because I want to match the lace of my shoes.
what I mean, I go send you go put on your clothes. I mean, I go talk to you and you
So now
go
you
put on
beg-
and
are
you see
you
me in
beg
a
for the
red.
red?
You go put on red because you want to impress me.
But
I know some
it's
bets.
Mr. and Mrs. Sullivan. So what's the problem?
So me don't know why I get married.
You lose around there.
Sir, so we're going to... No, can't say that.
How long? How in that? How in that? Hey.
You know what? I'm to you. Don't do...
Yeah man, I know.
Don't do missy.
Hey.
How in the mango?
Walk up and down with this one.
Is this one? You love things with a big belly. Yeah, push out your... I'm going to get some wormwood.
Yeah, I need a wash out card.
You have to look out for them, know me terrible. Oh my God.
I'm a bit slim man if you have
Tuck
belly.
in your belly, tuck in your belly.
Hey.
Mood.
That's how my shirt room is.
Hey, do this. Yeah!
Yeah. Carry it to that so she can get it, man.
How come you get her yet?
Yeah. I mean, I said carry video so you can carry it.
Oh.
What do you do? Figure about the key? Run with girl.
Action.
The good thing is, I don't take on a business that I don't think I can turn a multi-million-dollar business.
Come, make him do it again. But you have to know. So you think my business can be a bust?
Jesus Christ.
Ready up.
Watch him gone over there so I can't touch that. No.
And action.
The good thing is, I don't invest in a business that I don't think I can turn in a multi-million-dollar business.
So, you think my little business can be a multi-million-dollar business?
The first thing I'm
Don't make him fool you! Sorry.
to
I'm sorry. Jesus God.
the word little out of your vocabulary. Your business is not little. It's a big business with a lot of potential. Rolling. Action.
The first thing I want you to do is to take liquor out of your business.
Out of your vocabulary.
Out of your, oh yeah. Mm-hmm.
Your business is a big
Big
business
business, yeah.
with a lot of potential.
Mm-hmm.
Ready? It sounds like something worth thinking about. Yeah.
You know me start first and stop.
I can't grab the skirt. I mean, I can't skirt.
Cause the next time you're there, maybe the next time you're there, throw me a
Slush.
Slush.
Yeah.
Aye.
We say, start slush.
What? Sorry.
Oh, you know something? More want something. More when you not shake and for leave, you know. What go on? You have Savage, you have
Love Savage.
Savage or Perry
Savage.
Ellis. Savage.
Not Perry one. The
Savage.
next one will.
you have Issy.
Issey Miyake.
Issy.
It's a Miyake.
That's what you say.
And the baddest thing.
Yeah.
That's not. It's a me.
Yeah, me say.
Tama.
Violence.
Tom Ford.
When I
But you know,
They say yeah, shooting it, man.
kick where you know, so boom.
Yeah.
Bloop.
Savage bad too, you know.
Soup.
yeah.
I me like the name. Me like if him Savage.
Savage. Mr. All,
What up?
I want her to. I swear I want her to take
it's
over.
5 o'clock.
Impossible. Nah, man, I say more you take out.
If you use it first.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. More you take out.